Hey everyone, in this session we are going to demonstrate how we can display all the observations from the dataset to Power BI table. So now let's get started. So let's say for an example, in real life scenario there are some situations where we need to display some count, and with respect to that we need to display some of the data in the table visualization. Let's say for an example, this is our data set and currently we have two columns over here, notification and its status. So you can see that some of the notification has the same value and same status. So what happened here is, let's say for an example, when I am adding those values, notification and status, to my Power BI table, it is currently showing me only 5 items over here in the table, because some of the notification and its status are same. So Power BI automatically removes those duplicate values and show only non-duplicate value, means the distinct value over here in the table. But in the requirement we have something like, if in the count we are showing 13 notification, I should be able to see all 13 notification into my table, whether it is the same or not, right? So how can we display all the items in a single table visualization? So let's get started. For that you just need to do one thing here. First of all, click on the transform data. So you will be redirected to the Power Query window over here. Now here we need to add one index column here. So how to add that index column? For that we just need to click on this add column and just click on this index column, and from here we just need to start from 1. You can take any value from here or you can pick any value, like currently I am taking from 1 over here. So you can see here the indexes are appearing like this. So all the 13 notification has been made as 1 to 13 over here. Now what we need to do here is, we just need to click on close and apply. So our index column has been added to our dataset successfully. Now what we need to do here is, we just need to click on our table visualization that we just added, and we just need to make we just need to put that index column over here. And at last what we need to do here is, we just need to click on this don't summarize. So it will show us all the 13 notifications over here. Now what we need to do here is, when we add this index column, we just need to remove its header. So I'm just adding one dot over here in the column name, so it will just hide its header. And then here is the tricks that we need to perform. Like let's say for an example, now as an end user I don't want to show this index column. For that what we need to do here is, we just need to shrink this column. For that we just need to click on its header, or either we can go like this, and we just need to reduce its width as 0. So you can see that now end user will not able to see the index column, and you can view the table like this. Of course that would be some spacing over there, because I have enabled word wrapping over here. With this change we can easily show all the notification in the single table. So now you can see that all the 13 notification has been appear in the table. So this is one workaround to display all the data from your dataset to table visualization, because sometimes there is a need that we need to show each and every record over here, because tables behavior is something which automatically removes the duplicates. So to overcome that, basically we need to go with this indexing approach. If you have any other approach in your mind, feel free to share your opinion with me in the comment section. Hope this is clear for you now, and if you have any question you can ask your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on all social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp. And if you wish to receive the daily notification from my WhatsApp number, you just need to click on this link. This will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving the daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me, stay safe, have a great day, goodbye.